So actually guys, nanabot tayo parcel karon no si Sir Michael Cordero gyapon. So naanabot tayo another vlog with Sir Michael Cordero. So wait, nato siya karon para makuha nato ang parcel. So no, grabe kainit. So another review and unboxing na pod guys no. So we will wait for the new item na mag-a-arrive ngayon. Yeah. So we will wait for Sir Michael Cordero. So yun guys, medyo mainit talaga ngayon. So wala pa tayong supply guys no. So, nana si Sir. Ha?
First mo vlog, wala lagi.
Wala ba na ako upload, Sir?
Wala pa dahil.
Oo. Kamulo pang edit.
Mo dahil. Surat ko, wala mo kang test food.
Lagi. Ako nang ikon karon.
Wala ta ko ba? Kasunod. Tuon ko sa mong edit ba?
Lagi.
Ha?
Motovlog ba? Motovlog.
Wala kay ko ay.
Lagi.
Lagi ko lang lagi kasi ko
Lagi.
Kasi game right. Ito ni gamay. Ito ko sila.
Sige. Okay. Keep the jeans na, Sir.
Salamat kayo, salamat.
Sige, Sir.
Salamat.
Sige lang kay. Nara akong YouTube channel. Wait lang ha.
Amal. Para cellphone mo sila eh.
Ano, pang-edit no gani isa. Sino kay shout out?
Shout out ko sa taga Libertad. Pag-cancel of sale sa live lang kay Kapoy. Deliver.
Lagi. Nara Sir akong YouTube channel.
Aman daw.
Wait lang ha. Nara.
Rex the Adventure.
Oo.
Okay.
Bisin sa pangkatulo kay nanapod ko. Wala mo gud niya dungan tanan tulo ni ka parcel mong god.
Lagi ito muna kay taas-taas to no.
Oo.
So comment to nimo no.
Kuan mga vlog tools mo gud niya kung gipamalit karon.
Adventure yan. Ni kini.
Oo.
Sige. Salamat sira.
Oh sige. Salamat kaayo.
Oras karon kay wala na ko deliver.
Sige. Amping Sir. Salamat. Nakuha na nato itong parcel karon kay Sir Michael Cordero no. Review and unboxing na pod ang atong isunod ani. So see you later. So ayun guys, dumating na talaga yung panahon na i-review and unboxing natin yung nabili natin sa Shopee 12/12 sale. So delay lang guys no dahil may ginagawa tayo, so keep on watching. So yun guys, ang ginamit nating delivery express ay GNT for the shipping. So actually guys, 5-star rate naman tayo for the seller kasi nice yung pagkarap and wala namang sira yung item na binili natin. So ito yung item guys no, makikita nyo. So guys, ito yung actual strap talaga guys. So yun guys, dito na naman tayo sa kaunting review. Chest mount harness for GoPro Hero 8, Hero 7, Hero 6, Hero 5, and Hero 9. Black Session Max Fusion Osmo action cameras. Adjustable chest strap includes J-hook cam screw. Tripod mount adapter. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ikabit yung mga accessories. Compatibility with GoPro Hero 9, Hero 8, Hero 7, Hero 6, Hero 5, Black Session Max Fusion SG Cam, Xiaomi Osmo action cameras, and other action cameras. Fully adjustable. The size of the chest strap can be adjusted according to your body shape. High elastic adjustable webbing, comfortable and durable. Wide use. The chest strap is suitable for mountain biking, skiing, snowboarding, snorkeling, and other outdoor sports. Capture your favorite moments as never before you had done. Bring you a different experience. Unique design. Chest strap with reflective features at night for your use at night to provide security. Can be quickly installed to use. So the camera is easier to install and remove as long as the camera fixed to the how your chest strap. You can shoot action without having to hold the camera in your hand. So yun guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ikabit yung mga accessories niya. So yun guys, keep on watching kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mga pangalan ng mga accessories na to. So yun guys, keep on watching kasi step by step natin gagawin kung paano ilagay yung mga accessories niya. So yun guys, ito yung G-hook thumb screw. So yun guys, next ilalagay na natin yung phone holder. So yun guys, yun lang talaga. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.